Precision measurement. Critical step.
This part demands extreme precision. No room for error.
Holding tight tolerances. Looking good.
Pressure holding steady. Initiating diagnostic sequence.
Flow rate is nominal.
Check for any anomalies in viscosity.
Torque set. Secure.
Confirming delivery of fuselage panels to Station B7. Awaiting offload.
Slowly. Easy does it. Just a few more inches.
Automated riveting sequence initiated. All systems green.
Top, lower 4 inches. Perfect. Push together on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Secure the main load-bearing pin. That needs to lock tight.
Thermal coat applied. Moving on to curing phase. Check the forward section. Make sure the residue is clear. Lift on my mark. Don't scrape the rails.
Automated ply application is successful. Blade geometry confirmed.
Just securing the final cowling latch. We're clear for power check. Final torque setting reached. Green on the specification.
Target weight confirmed. Ready for fuel load test.
Pressure level 1.75. Holding steady for the cycle.
Watch the trailing edge. Clear the track.
Flaw analysis clear. Component certified.
Panel Alpha 2 aligned. Hand me the rivets.
Slowly. We need to ensure we don't stress the main harness tie downs.
Powering on diagnostics now. Checking pixel integrity.
System module insertion complete. Proceeding to power up.
Throttle linkage secured. Final torque on the pedal base.
Pin A7, red wire. Pin B3, yellow. Cross-check schematic. Flight system test, roll and yaw inputs nominal. Confirming synthetic vision check.
We need to compress the foam evenly. Keep the seal tight.
Secure the mounting brackets. We need perfect zero alignment on the camera.
Test cell 1 confirms 100% power output. No vibration anomalies detected.
Clear the floor. Aircraft 61 proceeding to flight line.
Fuel dump valves clear. Tail rotor pitch check complete.
Main rotor spread cycle initiated. Stand clear of the rotation area.
Collective coming up, we're airborne.
Pitch link tolerance is tight. Lubricating the final bearing. Safety cotter pin locked. Final blade secured.
Design building है कनी सदी ने चांबे से सिंस नीचे रूटिंग क्लिकी भून है दिखे का देश ने कुछ मैशनिंग है
Maintaining 150 knots. Clear skies ahead.
Confirmed visual on the deck. Final approach speed 5 knots.
All right, slowly now. Keep her straight.
Clear on the left.
Watch the rotor. Hold it there.